Tech. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you know the struggle of cooking a big meal. You've got multiple pots and pans going, and suddenly your countertop looks like a battlefield of saucy spoons and spatulas. You use one spoon rest, but what about the other 3 utensils? They end up making a mess everywhere. It's frustrating, right? Well, today, I think I've found the perfect solution to that kitchen chaos. This is the Zulay Kitchen Spoon Rest, and it's designed to hold multiple utensils at once. Right off the bat, I love the simple modern design. It's made from 100% food-grade, heat-resistant silicone, so you don't have to worry about placing hot utensils on it. It's also BPA-free, which is a huge plus for me. The model I have has 4 slots, which is perfect for my typical cooking sessions, where I'm juggling a ladle, a spatula, a spoon, and maybe some tongs. So, how does it actually perform? I've been using this for about a week now, and honestly, it's a game changer. I made a big pot of chili the other night, which usually means red sauce everywhere. Duh. I had my tasting spoon and my big stirring spoon right here on the rest. Any drips just collected in the base. The little raised edges around the rest are brilliant. They contain all the mess, so nothing spills onto the counter. My countertops have never been cleaner after cooking. One of the things I was worried about was stability. Would it tip over with heavy utensils? I tried it with my heaviest stainless steel ladle, and it stayed perfectly put. The silicone has a nice non-slip quality, so it doesn't slide around on my granite countertops, even when I'm in a rush and just toss a utensil on it. It's surprisingly sturdy for how lightweight it is. Now, let's talk about the best part for anyone who hates doing dishes. Cleanup. Stink is ridiculously easy to clean. Most of the time, I just rinse it under hot water, and everything comes right off. But for those extra messy dried-in sauces, you can just pop it straight into the dishwasher. It comes out looking brand new every single time. It's so much easier than scrubbing a traditional ceramic spoon rest. So, what's my final verdict on the Zulay Kitchen Spoon Rest? I absolutely love it. It solves a real, everyday problem in a simple and effective way. It keeps my kitchen clean, it's easy to wash, and it holds everything I need it to. For something so affordable, it makes a huge difference in my cooking routine. If you're tired of messy countertops, I highly recommend giving this a try. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Let me know in the comments what you use to keep your counters clean. See you in the next one.